Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with another gorgeous bridal eye makeup tutorial, and for today's look I have created this beautiful like red and orange glitter half cut crease eye look. This can be a perfect look for Bengali brides or any bride out there. If you are wearing a red outfit or a pink outfit or even a beige outfit, then this can be a perfect look. I have hooded eyes, so along the way I'll be sharing with you so many tips and tricks on how to do cut crease on hooded eyes. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. Please make sure to subscribe, it will mean a lot to me. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm taking my Incognito concealer from Wet n Wild in the shade medium neutral, and I am cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. If you want to know my eyebrow routine, I will mention the video in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out. I am applying the same concealer on my eyelid to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows. That is coming up next. Now I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This particular sponge is from Wet n Wild. To set the concealer in place, I am taking this Fit Me Loose powder from Maybelline, and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. I am applying this eyeshadow shades which I got from Amazon. I will link it in the description box down below. For my eyes, first I'm taking this like blood red shade from my Beauty Bay Berries eyeshadow palette, and with my Morphe JS13 brush I am applying it on my crease, actually slightly above my crease. I have hooded eyes and you can see my natural crease right across my eyelid, so I am just placing the color a little bit higher than my natural crease just to create a fake crease for myself, and I am slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. These shadows are very pigmented, so make sure to go slow, otherwise it might become patchy. This particular shade looked a little bit like blood red, but when I applied it, it has a strong pink base. Now I am taking this particular like warm coral shade and I am blending out the edge of the previous shade just so that there is a smooth gradient effect from a darker shade to a lighter shade, and just be patient and blend it out and it will all be blended perfectly. Beauty Bay does ship to India and other countries, so in case you are planning to get these eyeshadow palettes, just you can get them from Beauty Bay. You have to pay customs and shippings and that's it, and these palettes are so good. Now I am taking this eggplant purple shade from the palette and I am applying it on my outer V area just to give my outer V area a little more depth. And the brush that I am using is again from Morphe. This is my Morphe JS15 brush and I am slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. And this is the only like darker deeper shade that I could apply on my outer V area, and I love this particular shade. It is so pigmented, it is so smooth, it is not patchy at all. I am telling you, the quality of these eyeshadow palettes is 10 on 10. Now it's time to cut the crease, and for that I am using this lip brush from Pune store and I am using the same concealer, and as you guys can see I am applying the concealer a little bit higher. Again, I have hooded eyes. If you have hooded eyes, try to place the concealer a little bit higher and go slow, that way you won't mess up. Now I'm just covering the red shade that was peeping through. I am not applying the concealer all over on my eyelid because I felt like it was not needed, and at the same time I am blending it out. Now I am taking my NYX glitter primer and I am applying it all over on my eyelid because the shimmers in this palette, they are kind of pressed pigment kind of shimmers, and you need to apply a base, otherwise they will not stick to your eyelid properly and they will not pop. Now for my lid shade, I am taking this bright coral shade, such a stunning shade, and I do not have any such shade in my collection. This particular shade is very unique, though it looks a little bit like pink on camera, but in person it is actually a beautiful shimmery orange coral shade, such a stunning shade. And I am using my Morphe M124 brush here. stunning. Though you might leave the look here, but I just decided to use a glitter because I had this beautiful glitter from JCat in my collection for such a long time and I have never used it, so I just decided to use it this time. Now taking that purple shade, I'm just applying it between the shimmer shade and also on the outer V area. I am taking the same glitter primer again and I am applying it on top of the shimmer shade because I will be using loose glitter and for that I need that tacky base. And now I am taking this beautiful coral orange glitter from JCat Beauty. This is in the shade Tangerine and I am applying it on top of the shimmer shade. This is such a stunning glitter. It has green, like almost kind of a neon lime green, and gold and orange reflects in it. Such a unique shade. Again, I do not have any such shade in my collection and you can see adding a little bit of glitter just completely transformed the look. It's a bridal look, so a wing is must, and for that I am using my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black and I am just drawing a wing here, and for that I am using my Morphe M2500 brush. It's a little bit tricky to apply your eyeliner on top of a glitter, and for that I always suggest you to use a brush instead of a felt tip eyeliner. That is that. And now I'm just tightlining my eyes using my Milani eyeliner pencil in the shade After Dark. This is basically a matte black eyeliner pencil, super long lasting and smudge proof. Taking that blood red shade, I am smudging out my entire lower lash line using this angled brush which I got from Amazon. This was from a brand called Pune Store. I believe the brand has been discontinued, so yeah, I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line. Taking that the lighter coral shade, I'm just smudging out the border of the previous shade just to tie the look together. And now I am taking my Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter and I am highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners, and for that I am using this lip brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm elongating the eyeliner on the inner corner of my eye and I'm giving it a V shape just so that my eyes look wider and bigger. And this step is absolutely must for me. It just gives my eyes that beautiful elongated effect. Now I am curling my lashes with my eyelash curler and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. And for my false lashes today, I am using my Gala lashes from Kiss. Such a beautiful style and it just gives your lashes that fuller looking appearance. It's a little dramatic, but it's okay. It's bridal makeup. A little drama is must. And here is the final eye look. I truly loved the way how the look came out. I loved the glitter. I loved that eyelid shimmer shade, so unique. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you plan to recreate this look, then feel free to tag me on Instagram. It's @NitasGlamWorld, and please do follow me on my Instagram. So yes, see you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.